BX-110SX bicycle. This is to exercise, and then this is the box which it comes in, and these are the parts which I removed from, and then this is the display you can see, and this is the main magnetic resistance pedaling. These two goes on the two ends, one here and one there, and it's provided with the Allen key, and this is spanner Allen key, and then screw, there's some bolts and the knob, and then the seat comes in one of the packaging, and then this is the seat.
So the one with the wheels, this pipe goes on the front one with the block magnet. So this is just remove the screw from here and then just put it here. It's very easy, trust me. This is the rear part. Without the wheels you fix it here, and the one with the wheels you fix it in the front, and then so that you can just lift this up and then drag it somewhere wherever you want. So now I'm going to fix the handle here, and the digital sensor display.
Now you fix the handlebar, which is the straight ones, not the not that one. That is for the bottom, I think. So it had this one. You just put it here, and then you screw the handle first. Only then you slide in the display monitor, and then you put the corresponding jacks, pulse, and sensor.
Just slide in this part, which is for the seater, which here is the backrest, which just goes down like that, and you just fix the seat here. This knob, you might be confused. What is this for? This is actually for height. You can do it for the height of the seat. The seat, just remove the 3 screws and put it back and tighten with the spanner provided. It's very simple. Very simple. The rear holder handle, you sit here and then you hold this. This is for the rear ones, rear handle support, and then you just need to face the handle on the front, on the upper side, and then just you remove the bolt which was here and then just tighten it using the Allen key. At last we just can fix this pedal. You need to put the pedal and the guard over here. It's very simple. For the pedal, this is a bit tricky, which is very small in the catalog. You just need to make sure this is right. This is for right, and then while you screw it, you have to turn it anti-clockwise, not the clockwise. Otherwise, it will be opposite. This is with all the pedals, I think. And this is the guard. You have to make sure this is the right one. So here it is mentioned right. So yeah, it's now there is a label wherever you want. Should be the inner one with the bolt should be the small one, and you can select whatever you want according to the size of your feet. So you just need to clip it in this one. You have to insert in one of the hole like I have done here. That's it, and then insert it in the cycle.